Hi, thanks for watching this video from Double Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have our 2013 A6 2-litre TDI Black Edition. So as you can see, it's finished in Phantom Black. It's got the all-important 20-inch rotors on, which in my opinion these cars really need. It really makes the car. Good clean car, good mileage on it. It's already been through our workshop. And we've just put new pads and discs all round. Rotors are unmarked. It's got Pirelli tyres all round. So privacy glass on it as well. So in the Black Edition, it's got the black trim around it. So I think being in black really suits it. Again, as with all our videos, this is really just to give you a walk around of how it looks. We'll put the full spec details and everything on the advert, but again, really clean and straight down there. No major dents or scuffs or scrapes. It is a black car and it's in artificial light, so hopefully the video shows really just how clean the bodywork is. Again, interior's all nice and clean. Mileage at the minute is 76885. Got the full black S-line heated seats. Bose as well. So it's HPI clear, as all our cars are. We can offer part exchange, we can offer finance. They're all supplied with a warranty and they all come with 12 months MOT. We do viewing by appointment only, just to save you having a wasted trip. And it means that you know if you set off for the car's going to be here when you get here. If you don't want to make 2 trips and you want the MOT in it and take it the same day, you can always pay a reservation fee. If you give us a ring about that, we can give you the full details. As always, thanks for watching.